In this unit, the grammatical focus is the verb gustar. And gustar is a really interesting and useful verb in Spanish. You hear it all the time. It's the most common verb used to express likes and dislikes in Spanish. But it works a little differently in Spanish than it does in English. In English, we say, I like pizza. So I am the subject of the sentence. I like what? I like pizza. So we do something to pizza. In Spanish, it's actually reversed. In Spanish, we say, me gusta la pizza. La pizza is the subject of the sentence. Pizza is pleasing to me. So this is not the subject. This is not yo. This is me. It's an object pronoun. La pizza gusta a mí, me gusta la pizza. So pizza is singular, third person singular, and so the verb is conjugated with just the a on the end, gusta. And then you put the pronoun in front, me gusta la pizza. Literally, pizza is pleasing to me. Okay, but we would say I like pizza. A lot of students want that me to be I, and it isn't, and we're going to see that more later on in this unit. Okay, let's talk about something like los tomates, because if the subject of the sentence is what we like in English, but it's actually the object or that has something pleasing about it in Spanish, los tomates, here we see that's plural, right? Tomatoes. Los tomates gustan, with the N that signals third person plural. Tomatoes are pleasing to me. Me gustan los tomates. Okay? Now, what happens if the subject of the sentence is not a singular noun or a plural noun, but instead it's a verb? Eating pizza. Comer la pizza. In this case, you use the infinitive. In English, we would say eating. In Spanish, you say comer. Eating pizza is pleasing to me. Me gusta comer la pizza. Always in the third person singular, just like if it's a singular noun, okay? When there's an infinitive, a verb that ends in R, after gusta, it's always singular, third person singular, and then the infinitival form, comer la pizza. Now, what if you want to ask somebody? Do you remember in the video, the Julia runs up to Hannah and is like, ¿Te gusta la pizza? It was sort of weird, and a sort of a non sequitur. Anyway, she said, ¿Te gusta la pizza? So this is the same. This is the likable thing, la pizza, gusta, singular, singular. But she's saying, do you like it? And then the pronoun is te. This is not tú. This is not the subject of the sentence. La pizza is the subject of the sentence. This is a pronoun. We'll talk about that in more detail. But right now, all you need to know is that if you're asking someone a question, you use the pronoun te. Especially if it's somebody that's a friend of yours or somebody that's the same age. If you're asking someone that you call usted, the same question, you would say, oops, let me write this. Le, that's L-E, le gusta la pizza. Okay? That's if the person is an usted person. Okay. Now, what if the person answers no? You just insert no me gusta la pizza. So to answer negatively, you just put the no in front of the pronoun. No me gusta la pizza. And if we want to talk about one of our friends, whether he or she likes pizza, we use the pronoun le again. Le gusta la pizza. It's kind of messy. A Hannah. So pizza is pleasing to Hannah. And we'll talk a little bit more about what that a is doing there in the next unit.